What is going on, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here. I'd like to welcome you to day 3 of the Limitless Blueprint course. In this one, we're going to be talking about the elements of a top money-making digital sales funnel. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different concepts that you have to keep in mind. Then I'm going to be breaking down the 5 different elements of a digital sales funnel. Okay, so I hope you're ready for this. I hope you're excited. And let's get into this. So, where does this fit in, okay, to your limitless lifestyle business? Okay, so you're going to have your brand and you're going to have advertising, and your funnel fits into that part. Okay, so really we can't run any ads at all without having a digital sales funnel in place. Okay, or you're crazy. Okay, so under no circumstances should you run ads to a traditional website. Yes, I'll show you in Platinum how to build your digital your own personal branded website, but you shouldn't really be running ads to that there. You shouldn't run ads to a traditional website. Okay, we need to have a digital sales funnel in place. Now, this is so that we can attract, capture, and convert people, and so that we can indoctrinate people into your world. Okay, and the digital sales funnel is going to be a process that we can take people along, that's going to bring people to our world, and it's going to be a super profitable part. Now, this is the most important part as well. It's going to be your front door. Now, this is where you're going to be getting traffic from the endless traffic goldmine. You're going to be bringing all your people to your business, okay? And you're going to bring them to your front door. And this is going to be the start of your digital sales funnel. And we're going to show you that inside the element number 1, okay? Now, this is going to be the front door of your business, okay? Everybody's going to come to your front door, probably go and knock on the door, and you're going to let them in, okay? If they want in. Now, this is your front door, super important. Now, because you're putting money into advertising, you'll be able to get results faster with a digital sales funnel. Okay, and the digital sales funnel will be working for you all the time. Okay, once you get it built, you can have multiple different people coming to your business 24/7, 365 days a year after you've built it, and it's going to be like a little salesperson that works for you round the clock, round and round and round, without asking for a day off, a pay rise, any of that there kind of stuff. Now, you want to incorporate a digital sales funnel into your limitless lifestyle business. So, this is going to increase your conversions, meaning people are going to see more of your offers, and when you get this right, you can spend as much money as you want on your business. So it's kind of like the idea of you put $1 in and you get $2 out. This is what a digital sales funnel can do for you. Now, there are 5 elements to a top money making digital sales funnel, and there's 3 different concepts. So we're going to get into the concepts here first, and concept number 1 is the pre-frame. So this is understanding element number 1, the pre-frame of your sales funnel. Now, not everyone's going to buy from you for the first time of watching one of your videos, okay? You probably watched one of my videos, and then maybe you watched a few other ones, and then you decided to check out other channels, and then it gave you more confidence on what I was talking about, and it gave you more confidence in me to be able to help you to go over the edge to buy the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course. So, you then came to us, and you checked out the offer for the Limitless Blueprint course, and then you decided to buy, okay? Now, this is called the pre-frame, and this is where you understand your customers' pain points, and you're able to craft content, videos, and to help solve their problem even before they buy your product. Okay, so you're going to want to put value out in the marketplace, either via blog posts, videos, or posts on social media, and you're going to put this out into the marketplace, and you're going to help to solve people's problem to do with your industry before they even buy your product. And it's going to build your credibility, and it's going to pre-frame people to ultimately buying your product and making it to your sales funnel. Okay, so whenever you're putting out that content, people will be like, oh, this guy, this girl knows what they're talking about, and then they're going to come and check out your offer. Okay, and it's very, very important part, the pre-frame. So pre-frame, you probably noticed that I delivered value to you before you ever bought any of my products. Now, this is the reason why you bought my course, is because I pre-framed you in that sort of way. So the reason why you're inside my course at this point is because you found value in me and the information I was sharing out in the marketplace before you ever made it to my digital sales funnel. So after that after you found value in me, you decided to come and exchange that value, and you paid me money, and then I gave you your product. Okay, so you got value out in the marketplace of what the information I was sharing with you. You decided to come and check out my offer. You paid me money for the product, okay? And we had an exchange going on there. And this happens with the pre-frame, okay? So you got value up front, and then you paid me money for it, of course. So this is really a sequential, systematic learning process that you're inside now, and you want to kind of create something like this for yourself. And this is based on the value that you received before you came here. So it's very important that you have congruency in your message. So here we're talking about the limitless lifestyle business and creating freedom. Out in the marketplace, I would have been talking about these types of things as well. So then you're resonating with that message in the pre-frame, and then you're coming over to my world. Okay, now this concept number one could be known as persuasion. And the persuasion is most people make the buying decision before the transaction happens. Okay, so you actually bought into me, or whenever you're doing this for yourself, people buy into you before they ever buy your product. And it all happens in this concept called pre-frame and persuasion. Okay, and it's very, very important part of your funnel. You don't want to miss this part out. So if you're not adding value to your marketplace, people will never buy from you, okay? Because they don't know much about you, and they don't have much confidence in, like, who is this guy? Does he even know what he's talking about? Or what is he even talking about? What do you know what I mean? So when people even come to your product and they see it, they'll go and check you out before. This is what people do. And if you have certain pre-frames out there and it builds credibility and value and people get confidence in you, it's a very, very important part of your digital sales funnel. Very first concept. Now, the second concept is the conversion process, and this is how does the question is, how does the transaction actually happen? Okay, so the very first part of this is your hook. Okay, and this is kind of going to be like your big idea, and you're going to have maybe different hooks. So we had the AI employee system, we had the endless traffic gold mine, we had the financial freedom formula, we had the limitless lifestyle freedom blueprint course. These are different hooks that you can throw out in the marketplace. Another few examples is how you can learn how you can make $100 per day giving away free accounts. Okay, or learn how you can make $500 per day using my copy and paste templated system. Okay, and these are different hooks that's part of your conversion process, and it's going to hook people into your big idea. It's kind of like your big idea, if you kind of think of it like that. The next part of the conversion process is the product, okay? And you're going to want to create a product that delivers a particular result and gets people a particular result or a particular outcome, or something like this here, a particular outcome, feeling, representation. But you're going to craft a product based around a certain particular problem that you've identified in the previous videos above. Now, for us, we made the product the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course, the Fast Implementation Bootcamp, and the Team Limitless Inner Circle. So, these are different products that you could create. These are ones that I created for myself, and this is an important part of the conversion process. So people aren't going to buy anything off you if you don't have a product, okay? Now, the next part of the process is your offer. Now, the offer is everything that you got with this level of membership, okay? So you got access to the members area, and you got this, and this. Now this is super important to create an offer, because it's going to differentiate you from everybody else. So you probably go somewhere else and learn how to do internet marketing, but with a Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course, you actually got the financial freedom formula, and you got the daily success pills, and you got the inner circle vault. So you can see how that added value and differentiated me from everybody else, because I made an offer rather than just trying to promote a digital a product that teaches you how to do internet marketing. We kind of made an offer out of it, okay? So you can see how this is going to work. Now, you're going to want to engineer your hook, engineer your product, okay? And then you're going to engineer your offer, and your offer might change. That could be a variant. But once you identified your marketplace, you identified the problem that you want to solve, you crafted your product around that problem to help solve someone's problem. Then you're going to engineer your offer, you're going to create an offer, and then you're going to pull hooks. So you're going to throw different hooks out into the marketplace. It's going to hook people and bring them to your funnel, okay? Now, this concept of the conversion process, you have to engineer your hook, build your product, and create an offer, okay? Now, the third concept is community, and most marketers know how to pre-frame really well. They know how to sell their product really well, but they don't know how to manage communities very well. Now, you could do this in your own private group, either on Facebook, Mighty Networks, a WhatsApp group, any one of these types of things. but you want to bring all your customers to one place, like a community of where they can all see each other and they can interact and write each other comments and help each other out and create a community, like a living, breathing thing. That's really, really cool, my friend. Okay, so super important to remember these different ideas. Okay, so first concept is the pre-frame. Second concept is the conversion process, and then the third one is your community. So these are the 4 stages of a digital sales funnel. Okay, now we've got a lead magnet, we've got a tripwire, and we've got core offer, and then we've got profit maximizers. And I'm going to walk you through each of these individual ones on this video, and we're going to wrap this up very soon. So your lead magnet stage for your digital sales funnel. The lead magnet can be a free webinar, which is a training. It could be part of your free course. It could be a training. It could be a report. It could be a checklist. It could be a survey. It could be a free plus shipping offer. Really, your lead magnet is something your ideal customer would love. And basically, what you want to do is on your landing page, is you want to build as much curiosity about that as possible, but without telling them what exactly it is. Now, once someone opts in, the lead magnet should ideally tell people what it is. Okay, just tell them what it is. Don't tell them any more, any less. Shouldn't be too long. It shouldn't be a big, long thing. It should be something simple, something that people can consume within a few minutes. If it's a free webinar, it might take a little bit longer, but you want to have a lead magnet, like always talk about. Then, inside your lead magnet, the big idea here is you want to give it away for free, okay, in exchange for an email address so that you can start and build your list. Okay, so that's the front door of your business. The front door of your business is your lead magnet, and this is where you're going to be sending all your traffic to, and then you're going to be exchanging that piece of value, which is your lead magnet, whether it's a free training, webinar, report, something like that. It's limited to your imagination. If you have any questions about delivering this here, I show you all about it in Platinum. But basically, you're going to exchange for an email address and build your list, my friend. Okay. Now, the next part is your Tripwire offer, and this is something that's low ticket, low barrier of entry. It gets people in and buying sooner rather than later, and it helps you to demonstrate your value. So someone comes in, they buy your low ticket item, you can demonstrate your value, and you can educate people more about your product as well. So your Tripwire stage of your digital sales funnel, it can be a conceptual course priced low to medium ticket, okay, depending on your market. Okay, whatever your market is, if your market is more of a lower ticket market, it might be a lower ticket item. If it's a higher ticket market, it might be a higher ticket item. It depends on your market, your Tripwire offer, but it's going to be something low that's not going to take people a lot of thinking to be able to buy. Okay, there's going to be more of an impulse type of buy, and when people pay, they pay attention, so they're going to pay attention. People who pay attention, they take action. Okay, and then when people take action, they get results, and that's just as simple as it is. Now, your conceptual course, so it's for people to get results. It's very important to charge money for this course, okay? Because you're going to get people results. Now, your core product is your next third part of your digital sales funnel, and your core product could be an implementation course priced double the price of level 1, but ideally you want to be pricing it 4 times as much as level 1. So for example, if you're going to price it at your level 1 at $24, your level 2 should be at least $100, okay, or $97. It should be like that price point. So you're going to go from $24 to $100, or you're going to go from $97 to $400. But you want to have your core product being 4 times more than your initial Tripwire offer, okay? And like it says here, this can be the implementation course. It could be something like we have the Fast Implementation Bootcamp, where you get all the additional bonuses on top of that. You're going to get the Limitless Branding, the Done For You Funnel Club, the Email Profits Masterclass, the Strategy Call. You're going to get the community, where you're getting a private community inside the WhatsApp group. So this is going to be something like your core offer, and this is the third part of your digital sales funnel. Now, the fourth part of your digital sales funnel, when we're looking at this here, let's see, your level 2 core product implementation course. Now, how I use ClickMagick may be very different to how you use ClickMagick. Now, so for example, whenever someone gets into your level 2, your level 1, which is your Tripwire, you're going to be showing them everything. I'm pulling back all the curtains and sharing everything with you inside here. Now, how you might go ahead and use our tracker that I'm going to share with you in the next video, how you might use that tracker might be different to how I use it. Okay, it might be very different. And how I would use ClickMagick or the custom tracker that I'm talking about here, you might know how to use it the same way that I use it. So how I'm trying to explain this here is really when someone comes in and they're learning about how all these different yoga poses and things like that are, how they actually execute might be different than how you would execute. So inside your core product, it could be showing people how you actually execute and get that result for yourself. Now, I hope you're getting this idea. Now, your implementation course should have the aesthetics, okay? And it's really how to execute so that you can get results fast. And that's what we cover inside the Fast Implementation Bootcamp with the Limitless Lifestyle Business. So, the fourth stage of your digital sales funnel is profit maximizers, okay? And this could be done in many different ways. So you could have one-on-one coaching, which could be your profit maximizer. You could have affiliate product, which I would recommend is having affiliate products that just make sense to recommend inside your level 1 and level 2 courses, okay? And this would be priced between 300 to 5,000, okay? But ideally you want it to be 4 times more than your core offer, okay? Now the profit maximizers, that's ideally whenever you're going to do one-on-one coaching and things like that. But if you're going to be doing affiliate products, you can incorporate them inside the course where it makes sense. So you can see where I've recommended different affiliate stuff and stuff like that are inside the Limitless Money Hub. And this could be tools, it could be additional courses, and it could be Amazon products. And it could be different things that we've identified in the different affiliate market networks, different products that you've noticed and think that would be a good fit for your own limitless business. You're going to want to pick up these affiliate products and incorporate them into your limitless business. And this is going to be your profit maximizers, okay? So these are the elements of your top money-making digital sales funnel. You've got your lead magnet, you've got your Tripwire, you've got your core offer, and you've got your profit maximizers, my friend. Okay? And the key takeaways here are all of these are important for your digital sales funnel. You've got the pre-frame part, you've got your conversions, then you've got your community, and then you've got to have your lead magnet, Tripwire, core offer, and profit maximizers. And this is the elements of a top money-making digital sales funnel, my friend. Okay? And the pre-frame happens before the sale. Then you're having your lead magnet, Tripwire, core offer product. Then after someone buys, have 3 levels of products, okay? Level 1, level 2, automated online courses, and 3 can be coaching or one-on-one, things like this here, and affiliate stuff. So you have to engineer all of this before you start, and let me know in the comments below what your biggest aha moment was in this part of the elements of a top money making digital sales funnel. Okay, so elements, these are the 5 elements of a top money making digital sales funnel. Concepts, you've got the pre-frame, conversions, and community. Then the stages, you've got lead magnet, Tripwire, core offer, and profit maximizers. Now this might seem like a lot, but basically all you really want to focus on is your lead magnet, Tripwire, core offer, and profit maximizers, identifying all these different areas. Then you want to craft your conversion concept, which has got your offer and your stack and all this here. Then you're going to want to get your hook and throw it out into the marketplace and do your pre-frames, okay? And once after someone buys, you want to take them to your community, okay? So these are the ideas, my friend, of this here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, I'm going to leave the notes for you as well, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to recommend I'm going to show you the top recommended systems to build all of this for yourself and build this limitless lifestyle business. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below with your biggest aha moment, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great one. Bye.